Alex needs a new motor. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is it? Yay! We need a new engine, guys, so make sure you guys like and subscribe because I need your help. Oh, hold on.
There you go, Jeremy.
Hold on.
Let's go, dude.
Bro, it's leaking something out of the front.
What?
It's leaking something out of the front.
Leaking? Oil?
I don't know.
Leaking oil?
No, it's not oil. Probably coolant. The traction control's on, asshole.
Brakes will hold it.
Bro, you suck, bro. You suck. Bro, you suck. Oh. Meet my alignment's all off. You good? Really?
Yeah. A little bit.
Bro, it's gonna overheat.
It's gonna overheat.
You're gonna overheat my engine. I need to do a lot of things. You probably done blown everything out of it. No, for real, when you first cranked it up, it leaked all kinds of fluid like right up front here.
Probably no coolant.
It probably ain't got no more. That's probably where the leak was, yeah.
It's tied in both sides. I don't know what that's what it is.
We can take that out. That's from the lights that was in it that Jordan put in. Bro, what are you doing? What are you creeping on?
Oh, you gotta take the exhaust off.
Literally creeping on. See what I did there? He's on a creeper. That was a bad joke. I'm sorry.
You know what's so up?
What?
You had just got done putting them traction bars.
I just put the traction bars. I just did the lift kit and everything, and now I'm having to just ruin my truck again. You know, it's always something, isn't it, Leonard? Always something. I'm gonna rebuild my engine and my transmission before I even put my center caps on.
Ain't even put the center.
Ain't even put the center caps on. I'll be throwing. Why are you throwing? Huh? This is the first time since I had the light bars installed that my bumper's been off. Kind of weird to see. I used to get so many questions about the light bar brackets, and it's just some homemade brackets back here that somebody had put on the truck at some point, which is so funny to me. But it's a good chance for me to get these working again because they haven't worked for like 6 months. That's crazy.
I have to get new studs.
Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, I'm dropping your exhaust.
My exhaust?
Yes.
You gonna cut my cats out too?
Might as well.
Right. I take it. I gave it a ride. Ride. He goes drive his truck off the mall.
What is it?
Lawnmower.
Trash. 100%.
Bro, John, what are you doing down there, buddy?
All I'm saying is,
You doing meat?
not pull his engine out.
How we pulled this in like an hour ago and we're already pulling the engine out already. The boy's working. Jonathan's been working on the same bolt down there for an hour and a half.
I've been disconnecting transmission, motherfucker.
What are we gonna do with that? See that big dent? For my fat ass. Oh, that works. weeks ago. A week ago today actually. So I'm putting a cam in and all kinds of fun stuff. Might as well put the new transmission in while I'm at it.
Yeah, he said he can pick it up. All right. Y'all help me. Move forward. Y'all help me. Hold on. Get that jack a little bit back. All right. What's holding us, Mikey? Hold on.
Somebody has to get back here with me. Hold on.
What? Alright, well, watch us. Make sure we're clear. Alright. Can you get to those sensors on the back of the intake? Hello. Y'all gonna have to pick the back of the transmission up. Get on the engine back. Y'all gonna have to stand up top probably and grab it. Yeah, I know. Go up. Don't go up no more. And then transmission separator, you take that oil cooler and those lines off.
¿Qué pasa, güey?
Nada, güey.
Nada, güey. Engine's out. Transmission's out. Chewy's out. We got the truck pushed outside this morning. Engine's out, transmission is out. Everything's torn off the front. I got Matt over here finally cleaning out the inside. I haven't had the inside of this cleaned out in years. So I literally have taken every single thing other than papers that I've got underneath the center console, but those will come out. I've got everything taken out of the truck. Everything, front seat, back seat. I've even found two brand new sets, one set of Oakleys and one set of Costas that I didn't even know that I had. Brand new in the little box that they come in. Getting this thing cleaned out today. We're gonna get the front of the truck cleaned out, degreased. The engine's getting degreased today.
We got a Chick-fil-A receipt from Tallahassee, Florida from 2018.
2018.
Been on the game for a while.
Chick-fil-A from 2018, bro. That needs to go in the archive, bro. Where'd you find that?
Wedged up, back up in here in the seat. Yeah,
we gotta keep that, bro.
Give that to you.
Yeah, let's keep that. That's legendary.
Been got Chick-fil-A for a while.
That's proof. Hey, that's proof. Hey, we've
Sent
been
my boys some free meals.
Yeah, we've been on this grind, baby. The Matt for coming through and cleaning the truck up. I got parts in the truck, I got trash in the truck, I got shoes and clothes and sunglasses, all kinds of crap in here, bro. Gonna get the baby cleaned out. It won't be running until probably sometime next week, but they're getting the engine cleaned up for me today. What?
What do you want?
What is that? Do I need that? Or should I get a new one? Probably get a new one. Bro, who's working right now, bro? Bro, who's working right now?
Bro, calm down.
Who's working right now? Matt's working.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah. Matt's working.
That sad bow tie.
That sad bow tie over there.
Bow tie.
That sad looking bow tie. Still,
You gonna do a cold start?
no, I can't do a cold start. Jack. Still looks better than your box. Look, I'm really gonna upset Jerry right now because do you care about being in the video? You don't care? Look, Jerry wanted me to. Jerry caught me on a day the other day and I was not in the mood to film. Zero. It was cold and I was not in the mood for it. And he made a comment to me about, yeah, I would have been in your last video if you wouldn't have been cold or something like that. So, Jerry, this one's for you, Jack. I know he'll watch. Hopefully he'll watch the video, but
He watches every video, man. What you talking about?
I wanted to kind of expose myself because Matt's cleaning my truck out over there, right? It's kind of cool for y'all.
Doing really good.
There's a receipt that was found in the back of my truck. Chick-fil-A receipt from 2018.
Oh my God.
We've been on this grind, baby. We've been on this grind. Before I put the weight on, we were eating Chick-fil-A and we were skinny. So it's not the Chick-fil-A. This is proving you guys wrong that it's my other bad choices in life, not the Chick-fil-A. So the Chick-fil-A is not going nowhere. But Jerry, I love you. Pick came to see me. I can't say him because he came to see me too, but I like him more. That's what I'm saying.
I was like, go ahead.
Can y'all see that?
Ready? And it's not
I don't know if y'all can see
Then
that.
I told them about it.
Capital Circle, Tallahassee, Florida.
Whole show, every video.
2018, 7:11 a.m. or something like that. I don't know. What was I eating on back then? Chicken minis and a large Powerade, one ketchup for $6.19. What was we eating on back then? I was on my chicken mini wave. Yeah, it's about $9 a day now instead of $6. Then leveled up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Bro, what you got going on with the truck over here? What did we do? What kind of money are we spending today?
$5.
We do some wheel lights?
Wheel lights and then the step bars.
The steps?
Power bar.
Oh, you're getting old, aren't you?
Yeah, I can't find it.
I'm not gonna lie. I'll end up getting some steps at some point. Ooh, fancy amp steps. Okay, okay. And then we got the 6-row?
6-row.
6-row lights for your boy. The Andrew McNeely Specials. I don't know what his company name is. Shout out to Mcgaughys. Got that Mcgaughys down there with the 6-row wheel lights. Do we do all white or just
They're white and amber.
white and amber? So they're
Hit the turn signals. The brain's not working right.
that's cool. So we need a different control box, but they switch amber to white, which is really cool. So I filmed this the other day. I was doing something with the truck and I threw this in the video. So always got to throw. It's one of my favorite trucks over the last year that we've built. To be honest, I like the white. The white lug nuts have always been my favorite. So always got to show love to Jesse when he comes to the shop. Truck looks good.
Thanks, sir.
Truck looks good. Always a pleasure. Bro, who's working right now?
Bro!
Whoa, whoa!
You should be working.
Whoa!
The phone!
Whoa!
The phone!
Being aggressive right now.
Get to work.
Phone! Shut up. Shut up, me. I'm not gonna lie. It does look. Is it? Have you already degreased it?
Yeah, they did.
It does look like a newer engine now. At least this part. This part looks a lot cleaner.
The front of it where it was all black.
That too. And it's not black anymore. We might get somewhere with this, you know? I'm getting rained on. Jeez. You owed him?
Sir?
Pleasure.
Gang.
Pleasure. Gang, gang.
Gang, bro.
Roast them! Roast them!
Oh, look at that black smoke.
Nice little cloud.
Tornado.
A brand new truck.
Brand new, cleaned out truck. Just smoked me out like that. What's this?
All that. What the Come on.
All right, what's the question? Let's hear it.
Okay, so these two said yes. I said no.
Can I shouldn't film this.
No, you shouldn't. Oh, yeah.
Okay. They got the engine tore down yesterday, and I'm probably exposing myself a little bit, but I think this is worst case scenario for me. The lower half of the engine, being that it has 250,000 miles, does not look the best. So we have two options. We either buy a whole new lower half, which is however many $1,000s you want to spend. Do a couple of recommendations. We have a local shop here that's going to hopefully rebuild the lower half for me. But they got everything tore apart yesterday. They got the headers off, just the lower half completely tore down, oil pan off, heads off, which are sitting over here. So everything's tore down, and the general consensus across everybody that's looked at it is Alex needs a new motor. Yay! On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is it? That's what 250,000 miles and very little oil changes will do to an engine. Sludge. Sludge. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So we got to get it boxed up, and there's a machine shop on Monday we're going to drop it off to. Sludge. Yum. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to see how Alex destroys the next engine that goes in the truck. Yay! We need a new engine, guys, so make sure you guys like and subscribe because I need your help. I'm not rich, by no means. I'm not rich, I need your help. I need you guys to like and subscribe and share all the content, and go watch the podcast on the Fury Tread Talk channel, because that just dropped on YouTube. Audio version will drop on all platforms on Monday. The bow tie is looking pretty sad over there right now, I'm not gonna lie. It's looking pretty sad. Like I said, we're gonna get this dropped off on Monday. We're gonna have them tear it down. If all goes as planned, I'm sure I'm gonna need to replace some stuff in the lower half. It's inevitable. If all goes as planned, they'll rebuild the lower half in a week or two. They'll refinish and clean out the heads for me, and then we have everything that we need, top to bottom of the engine, to go ahead and start the rebuild. I thought technically half the process is done. The teardown is completely done. Now it's about cleaning and rebuilding. So hopefully this is the last teardown video with bad news, and we can drop it off, and hopefully things go smoothly at the machine shop next week. Knowing me, it's not gonna go smoothly though, so like and subscribe, help your boy out.
That's what I'm talking about.